Is this audio? Will it hear me?
Yeah.
Hey you, good looking. Do you have a Volkswagen and you want to get some more power out of it? Follow us and enjoy this build and you can get 600 horsepower. No problem. Will your clutch handle it? Probably not.
And welcome to Project Mark 7. We are going to be throwing all of these parts into this beautiful platform right here. So come with us as we take this 2019. We're going to start from the bottom, basically the block. The block got sent out to Advanced Cylinder Heads, so shout out to Advanced Cylinder Heads. They bored out the cylinders to an 83 millimeter piston. We have Moly pistons going in this, 83 millimeter pistons. We also have integrated engineering rods. We have calico bearings. The head has been completely redone by also Advanced Cylinder Heads. We are doing SuperTech valves, SuperTech springs, keepers, retainers, everything SuperTech. Then we are going to be going with HPA, their IS38 Plus. So this is bigger than the factory Golf R Turbo, but still spools about the same speed. On top of that, we're going to be throwing a whole bunch of 034 parts into it. So dog bone mounts, subframe mounts, all the add-ons. For brakes, we're going to be using EBC Brakes, rotors, pads, new speed lines. Then we also have ARM from an intercooler with all the charge pipes in the crinkle black. Man, we got so many parts on this thing, it's ridiculous. Going over here, CTS high flow radiator. We also have a ARM downpipe, upgraded silicone cooling hoses, South Bend clutch, stage 2 endurance clutch. So please enjoy this build. Michael is going to be doing all the extra stuff. I'm going to be building the block. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And let's get this thing pushing some serious horsepower.
That's because I'm getting my hips in it. Alright, stop talking to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7.
So how's it going?
If you have that, I may.
So we're going with EBC rotors, EBC brake, but yellow, so it can be still street legal and still performance wise. This car is going to go to track, and that's why we're doing all the system, especially adding out the USB performance brake line, so everything can perform as it should, and even better up to high temperature with a higher brake fluid that's installed on the vehicle, so everything performs and brakes like it should, especially with the amount of horsepower we're about to add up to this really system.